We're riding bikes and hunting killer clowns. That's right, it's It Evil Below from the Op. This kid cavorting killer clown co-op features 2 to 7 members of the Losers Club as they venture around Derry, Maine, haunted by the murderous spirit known as It. But It frequently appears as a clown named Pennywise. He's absolutely terrifying. The players attempt to gather personal strength before It can torture every kid in town. Set up against the game board placed center. We have a map of notable locations in Derry, along with an evil influence track on the left and a Losers Club strength track on the right. Place the strength token on the starting space of the track. Take all the victim tokens, place them on their "You'll float too" side, and give them a shuffle. Then distribute them face down around the board on the spaces indicated. Next, place 1 bike token in each of the following locations: Quality Meats Butcher Shop, Town Square, House on Niebolt Street, and the Standpipe. Place Pennywise on the sewer pipe in the center. That's his home. Take the encounter cards and separate them by type: multicolored totem cards and black attack cards. Shuffle both piles and place them next to the board in their respective space. Then place 6 of the top totem cards and 1 attack card face down into the fight stack area above. Separate the weakness cards by level, either 1, 2, or 3, and shuffle each set. Place them face up in their respective spaces. Finally, each player chooses a member of the Losers Club and takes the corresponding player board, character mover, and bravery token. Place the mover on the starting location of the map listed on that player's board, and put the bravery token on the 5 space of their personal track. Hand all the dice to the youngest player who takes the first turn, just like Georgie did. Gameplay occurs in turns, each split into 4 phases. Roll dice, resolve sightings, player actions, fight Pennywise. First up, in the roll dice step, the active player rolls all the dice. You may have guessed that part. Each die has a symbol and a color. The color corresponds to the location on the map where that action or result may take place. Balloon symbols are Pennywise sightings, which will get resolved immediately. Action symbols and courage symbols can be used for actions during the player's action phase. Next up, in the resolve sighting step, a special action must be taken for each balloon rolled. First, if any player is in a location matching the color of a balloon rolled, they immediately lose 1 bravery. Then, for each balloon icon, reveal the topmost or leftmost victim token from that location. If a child icon is revealed, place it on the evil influence track. Each time a token is placed on a Pennywise portrait, Pennywise will attack the players in that location. More on that in a sec. If a balloon icon is revealed, discard it and add the top card of the attack pile to the fight stack without revealing it. When resolving the victim tokens, the letters A, B, and C will gradually be revealed. If the last victim token is ever removed from a location, place an attack card on the fight stack. This location is now empty of victims, and each time a Pennywise sighting occurs on that space, another attack card is added to the fight stack. One note, if 3 locations are ever empty of victims, the Losers Club loses the game. After the sightings are resolved, move Pennywise to the location with the most missing victims where he has the most power, and set aside the balloon icon dice rolled this turn. Each time a victim token covers up a Pennywise portrait, that's when Pennywise attacks the active player. Move the Pennywise mover to that player's location and immediately reveal the top card of the attack pile. Depending on the letter icons present at the location, Pennywise attacks the active player with each applicable ability on the card. Resolve them by discarding totem cards, losing bravery, or just generally having your hair turn white. If multiple players are in the same location, the damage can be divided up between them as they choose. Once the attack is resolved, place the attack card into the fight stack. I know, we just keep adding attack cards. That's a lot. Next, in the player action step, the active player may spend a die with an action
or courage icon to take one type of action. These include move. Spend 1 die of any color or symbol to move the character mover to an adjacent location. Draw. Use an action icon die of the current location's color to draw a totem card. Totem cards may be placed face up in front of a player, who may only have a maximum of 3 cards at a time. If the totem pile is ever depleted, just shuffle the totem discard into a new deck. Pick up a bike. Use an action icon die of your current location's color to take a bike token from that location. Players with the bike token can move their character mover to any other location, regardless of distance, on any player's turn by spending that bike token. Then leave the token on their destination. Increase bravery. Spend 1 courage icon die of the current location's color to increase the bravery of every character in that location. Rescue. Spend 1 courage icon die of the current location's color to return the topmost victim token on the evil influence track to the rightmost or bottommost space in that location. As players move around the board and take actions, if any of their totem cards match their current location, they may place it in the fight stack face down. This can be done as a free action and is the main way to gain strength for the Losers Club. Finally, the active player has the option to play through or skip the Fight Pennywise step. If they choose to skip, pass the dice to the next player and begin a new turn. If they wish to fight, the active player and at least 1 other player must be in the same location as Pennywise. Now remember, bikes allow characters to freely move on any turn. To fight, the active player shuffles the fight stack and reveals a card. Their goal is to reveal totem cards to match any of the 3 weakness requirements above the strength track. Players may continue to reveal cards one at a time, pushing their luck until they choose to stop, or if they reveal a Pennywise attack card. If a player manages to stop before revealing an attack card, they gain all rewards listed for matching the weakness requirements. It's possible for totems to qualify for multiple weakness cards in the same fight. Discard the completed weakness cards and totem cards face down to their respective areas. That means they don't go back into the fight stack after they've been flipped. But if a Pennywise attack card is revealed, the players must discard all totem cards revealed at this point and do not get to complete any weakness requirements. Instead, resolve the attack card based on the location and revealed letters, attacking the players in that space, and then placing that attack card to the bottom of the Pennywise attack card stack. Gameplay continues until the losers lose the game when Pennywise eliminates all the victim tokens from 3 locations, the evil influence track fills up, any player hits 0 bravery, or if all 13 attack cards are in the fight stack. But if the players can get the strength icon to the end of the strength track, they've gathered the courage to fight the demon and win the game. And that's it, Evil Below. I'm Becca Scott, and we all float down here. Right, Georgie?